I'm interested in plant coloration and looking at how plants use biomaterials to make the really beautiful colours that we see in nature, and by understanding that, make our own coloration, make our own pigments, which are also made of biomaterials. That's a really strong focus, because we already know how to process the kind of biomaterials that plants are made of, and because we already like to eat them and they seem to be pretty good for us. And plants have actually created a really massive diversity of different colours and different coloration strategies. So there's a few things there. There's trying to understand the structures. So that's the structures on all scales, from the nanostructures, which can make colours, to microstructures, to and kind of the larger body structure of the whole plant, as well as understanding the development strategies, so how materials are laid down, and going beyond that, thinking about the kind of visual systems which are looking at the plants, and because not all visual systems are the same, how you can adapt design for one visual system or for another one. Yeah, I think it's interesting because so much of our modern technology is dominated by screens, which seem very anti-biomimetic. And I suppose if you think down that line, then it maybe doesn't look so positive for biomimetic engineering. But actually, I think that we will start to look for materials which do the kinds of things that we expect from screens, but without being electronically powered. And for that, we can look directly to nature. We can look at the amazing things that natural materials do, and they're powered by other fuels, of course. They're powered by sunlight, or they're powered by nutrients. But I think that once we've got so used to thinking of materials in screens as being very reactive and very smart, that will become something we want in all materials, whether they are a screen or not. So yeah, I think that there's so much scope. There's so many things that natural materials, living materials, can do that we can't yet do with our own. That's really exciting. It's a really exciting kind of future for materials research. Yeah, it was really great. All of the projects had very different, exciting ideas, and it was really nice to hear such imaginative and creative designs.